Good morning everybody. So today we will discuss about the chapter polynomial. Recap about the chapter polynomial. Yeah, first to tell me what is meant by polynomial. An algebraic expression p of x that is equal to a naught x to the power n plus a1 x to the power n minus 1 plus a2 x to the power n minus 2 plus etc. up to an. Okay, so where a0, a1, a2, a3 etc. up to an are all called real numbers. What is the real number? Yeah, collection of all rational and irrational numbers are called as what? Real numbers, are all real numbers. So this a0, a1, that is coefficient of the variable, right? a0, a1, a2 etc. up to an are all called real numbers. So it may be a rational or irrational, and then that n should be a non-negative integer. N should be a non-negative integer. And n should be a non-negative integer, then only we can call it's a polynomial, non-negative integer. Am I right here? Yes. So for example, p of x is equal to x square plus 3x plus root 2, g of x that is equal to x cube minus 5x, r of x that is equal to x square plus root 2x plus root 3. Okay, so can you give two examples for not a polynomial? Yes, x square plus 1 by root x plus 3. Okay, how can you express this one? This can be expressed as x square plus x to the power minus 1 by 2, it will come here, because root x means x to the power 1 by 2. So when you are bringing it to the numerator, that is 1 by a to the power m is nothing but a to the power minus m. Here the power of the variable n, right? Here the power of the variable is what? Fraction. So that n should be a non-negative integer, we know that n is a non-negative integer. Here we are getting n is a fraction, therefore it is not a polynomial. Okay dear. Then, so a term is either a variable or only a number, that is, for example, p of x is equal to x cube, it contains only the one variable. Otherwise you can say that g of x is equal to any constant, root 2. Otherwise p of x that is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 4x square plus 3x plus 2. Either variable, only the variable, otherwise it contains only the constant term, otherwise it's a combination of variable and constant, is called as what? Polynomial. It is called as what? Polynomial. Okay, then what is meant by degree of the polynomial? What is meant by degree of the polynomial? What is meant by degree of the polynomial? Tell me. Degree of the polynomial is nothing but highest power of the variable in the given polynomial. The highest power of the variable. The highest power of the variable. Highest power of the variable is called as what? Degree. The highest power of the variable is called as what? Degree of the polynomial. So you can expect this type of questions in 1 mark. Okay. Then you can classify the polynomial based on degree. Another one is based on terms. First we will discuss about the based on degree. If the degree of the polynomial is 1, I will write the standard form. Standard form degree. If p of x is equal to ax plus b, name of the polynomial, degree, name of the polynomial, standard form, name of the polynomial, degree. Tell me the standard form of the polynomial. P of x equal to ax plus b, where a not equal to 0. Why where a not equal to 0? If a equal to 0, you will get only b term, then it will be the constant term. So it is called as linear polynomial. And then degree is what? 1 here. The power of the variable x is what? 1 here. Therefore the degree of the polynomial is 1. And then p of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, where a not equal to 0. It is called as quadratic polynomial, because the degree of the variable is the highest power of the variable x is what? 2 here. So it is called as quadratic polynomial. The degree is 2. And then cubic polynomial. P of x is equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d where a not equal to 0. And then it is called as what? Cubic polynomial. And then the degree of the cubic polynomial is 3. So P of x is equal to a n x to the power a naught x to the power n plus something like x square. Am I right? Plus 5. So what is the degree of the polynomial? The degree of the polynomial is what? N here. Okay, it is, suppose if it is 5, x power 5 plus x square plus 5. So it is called as what? 5 degree polynomial. The degree of the polynomial is what? 5 here. The degree of the polynomial is what? 5 here. And then after that, we can classify the polynomial based on terms. Based on terms. If your polynomial contains only one term, if your polynomial contains only one term, then it is called as monomial. Based on terms. Based on terms. Monomial. Monomial means what? A polynomial contains only one term. Is called as what? Mono. Mono means what? Single. Then binomial. If a polynomial contains two terms, contains only two terms, then it is called as what? Binomial. Trinomial. If a polynomial contains only three terms, then it is called as what? Trinomial. If a polynomial contains three or more than three terms, then it is called as what? Multinomial. Multinomial. Three or more than terms. Three or more than three terms, then it is called as what? Multinomial. Am I right here? Yes. And then next topic is remainder theorem. Next topic is what? Remainder theorem. A real number A is a, okay, before that, a real number A is a zero of the polynomial. A real number A is a zero of a polynomial. Is a zero of a polynomial. A is a zero of a polynomial. If A is a zero of a polynomial P of x, then we can conclude that if P of A equal to 0, if P of A is equal to 0, then A is a zero of the polynomial, otherwise root of the polynomial. Am I right here? If P of A equal to 0, where A is the what? 0 or root of the equation P of x is equal to 0. It's very simple. See, I will give you one example. P of x is equal to 2x plus 1. Okay, just we are finding P of 1 by 2. How will you find the P of 1 by 2? Just you have to replace x by minus 1 by 2 in the given polynomial. So P2 into replace x by minus 1 by 2 plus 1. 2 got cancelled. So minus 1 plus 1 is 0. So we are getting like P of minus 1 by 2 is 0. Therefore, minus 1 by 2 is a 0 or root of the given equation, otherwise given polynomial P of x is equal to 2x plus 1. Are you getting there? Yes. And then after that, we are having linear polynomial. Then remainder theorem, dear. Remainder theorem. If P of x is a polynomial having degree greater than or equal to 1. If P of x is a polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1. What is the meaning of that? Of degree greater than or equal to 1. Yes, that the polynomial P of x should be at least linear polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1. Therefore, the given polynomial should be at least a linear polynomial. Then remainder. Then it is divided by the linear polynomial x minus a. Then it is divided by linear polynomial. X minus a. Then it is divided by linear polynomial x minus a. Then the remainder is what here? Then the remainder is P of a. Then the remainder is what? P of A. For example, if P of X is divided by, if P of X is given that x square plus 3x plus 2, okay, divided by the polynomial P of G of X is equal to x plus 1, then the remainder is P of minus 1. That is, just to equate the divisor polynomial is equal to 0, x plus 1 equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1. Then replace x by minus 1 in the given dividend polynomial P of X, you will get us the remainder. See, for example here, minus 1 the whole square plus 3 into minus 1 plus 2. So minus 1 the whole square is 1 plus into minus is minus 3 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. Therefore, the remainder is 0 for the polynomial x square plus 3x plus 2 is divided by x plus 1. X plus 1. Are you getting here? Yes. So we have to recall the concept, factor theorem as well as algebraic identities. We will discuss in the next video. Thank you.